Good morning, students. Today we will study the sixth chapter of our mathematics, linear equation in one variable. Students, what is linear equation? A linear equation is an equation involving only linear polynomials. That is, the highest power of the equation having only one variable is 1. For example, I am going to write a equation, linear equation in one variable. You can see 2x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. This is a linear equation in one variable because it has one variable, that is x, and its highest power is only 1. So we have to solve these equations which you have studied in earlier classes, that is in class 7th. I am taking one example. So you can see the example 1. The question is 3x by 4 minus 6 by 5 is equal to 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 10. So students, to solve this equation we have to transpose. हमें ट्रांसपोज करना होता है, और ट्रांसपोज करने के लिए हम लोगों को करना क्या है कि जो वेरिएबल्स हैं दे विल बी इन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड द कांस्टेंट टर्म्स विल बी इन राइट हैंड साइड. इन ट्रांसपोजिशन द साइन विल बी चेंज. फॉर एग्जांपल 3x by 4 will remain in left hand side and 6 by 5 will be transposed to right hand side, and since it is negative it will be positive. Yes, 7 by 10 plus 6 by 5. Now add, so 3x by 4 is equal to LCM. By taking LCM, 10 is the LCM. So we will have 7 and 5 2 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. So 3x by 4 is equal to 19 by 10. Now cross multiplication. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई आप कर लोगे तो, या फिर वी हैव ट्रांसपोज, तो x विल बी 19 by 10 and multiplied by, देखिए 3 by 4, it will be 4 by 3 after transposition. 2 or 2 5s are 10. The answer will be x is equal to 38 by 15. This will be our answer. Now second question. If we take another example, x minus 2 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 5 is equal to 1. Now first of all we have to take LCM. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. 4 5 जा 20, 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करिए तो यहाँ आपको मिल जाएगा 5x माइनस 10. 5 4 जा 24 का मल्टीप्लाई इसमें हम लोग करेंगे तो माइनस 4x, माइनस माइनस आपका प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 1. तो 5x माइनस 4x, x माइनस 10 प्लस 12, इट विल बी 2 upon 20 is equal to 1. Now cross multiplication. After cross multiplication we will have x plus 2 is equal to 20, and transpose 2 we will have 20 minus 2, yani x will be equal to 18, and that is our answer. Similarly, we can take another example. See, one more example. X by 5, example number 3, x by 5 plus x by 15 is equal to 2 by 15. The students, we have to take LCM of left hand side. So LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. 5 3s are 15, that is 3x, and here it will be x 2 by 15. So 3x plus 4x will be 3x plus x will be 4x. 4x by 15 is equal to 2 by 15, and x will be equal to 2 by 15 multiplied by transposition. 4 by 15 after transposition will become 15 by 4. 15 cancel out. So x will be equal to 2 by 4, that is after transposition it will be 1 by 2, and that is our answer. Students, one more question. We may take another example. 6x minus 8 upon 5x. 6x minus 8 upon 5x is equal to 7 by 3. In this type of question, first of all we have to cross multiply, means 3 multiplied by 6x minus 8 is equal to 7 multiplied by 5x. It will become 3 6 ja 18x minus 24 is equal to 7 5 ja 35x. Now transpose 18x minus 35x will be equal to 24. माइनस कर लेंगे, it will be 17x minus 17x 18x minus 35x will be equal to minus 17x is equal to 24. Then x will be equal to minus 24 by 17, and that will be our answer. Students, one more question. 2 minus 7x. Next example, example number 5. The question is 2 minus 7x. 2 minus 7x upon 1 minus 5x is equal to 3 plus 7x. 3 plus 7x upon 4 plus 5x. So to solve this question, again we have to cross multiply. That is 2 minus 7x multiplied by 4 plus 5x is equal to 1 minus 5x multiplied by 3 plus 7x. Now we have to multiply. तो मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए. 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5x that is 10x. नाउ minus 7x into 4 जब हम लोग करेंगे तो minus 28x. और -7x इंटू 5x विल बी इक्वल टू 35x स्क्वायर एंड इज इक्वल टू, अब नाउ मल्टीप्लाई दिस, 1 minus 5x, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 7x, that is 7x, minus 5x multiplied by 3 minus 15x, and minus 5x multiplied by 7x will be minus 35x square, minus 35x square. Now simplify. 8 10x माइनस 28x मतलब ये आपका हो गया 18x माइनस 35x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3, 7x माइनस 15x मतलब आपका हो गया माइनस 8x एंड minus 35x square. Now transpose minus 18x minus 35x square minus 8x after transposition will be 8x minus 35x को ट्रांसपोज करिए it will be 35x square is equal to 3 and this 8 is equal to minus 5. 8 मतलब कि it will be minus 8. Minus 35x square plus 35x square cancel out. Minus 18x and plus 8x will be equal to minus 10x and here 3 minus 8 is equal to minus 5. तो x will be equal to ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे -5 बाई -10 एंड